Welcome to the Art of Crypto's 1 minute trades. In this video, AVAX. Right away, you can see that AVAX is currently still forming higher highs and higher lows on a macro scale. So here's the trade that you're going to want to take. If you just take a look at this level right here, notice how this massive move downwards was preceded by this last bullish candle. This bullish candle is what you call an order block. Simply means an area where institutions are going to look to short or buy. In this case, it's going to be a short. So you're going to want to mark down this level on your own chart, 11.52. You're going to want to look for price to get rejected off of this level, and at the moment you can see that it's happening right now. If the price gets rejected here and it falls below 11.3, then expect AVAX to be in a downtrend, and this is the part where it gets juicy. This massive move upwards was preceded by this bullish order block. So this is going to be the two levels that you're going to want to buy AVAX at. This is going to be your stop loss. If you take the trade at this level, you're going to have a stop loss of 3% and a take profit target of 16% at 12.15. Now, I don't know about you, but a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio sounds pretty good to me. If you like these kinds of videos, I want you to drop a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.